Bikes Reviews Tutorials video. I'm going to show you today, we're in a Ford, this is actually a Fairmont Ghia, but a Falcon's all the same, how to set the cruise control, because as you can see up here, if you look at the odometer, when the cruise is on, you'll see that word come up. When it's off, but where is it? Because as you're pressing all these buttons, it doesn't actually come on, that doesn't start it. What you need to do is reach around the back to this cruise, and when you pull that, just give that a touch up, that's what turns your cruise off and on. And then here, you press this to set it, and if you press and hold, it'll go up in speed, and this one you press to set, and if you press and hold, it'll go down in speed. So if you're sitting on 104 and you want it to be on 100, then you just press and hold that until it goes down to 100, then release it, it'll set on where you're up to. And resume is once you've got a set speed in, then you just touch that and it'll take it back to that speed for you. But what most of you be looking at is this button around the back. That's the one that you can't quite see.